This fall, SCC's student newspaper, The Bridge, will celebrate 20 years of providing news and views for the college. A direct descendant of the Mirror, The Bridge is available free at all SCC locations and as a PDF on the college website. Here's a recent issue of the paper in InDesign. That's the computer program used to lay out the paper. Note how the text comes in blocks that you can move around. You can highlight and retype. Photographs are adjusted and edited in Photoshop and then dropped into the InDesign program. Here we see we can move the photo in its frame. Photos easily link to Photoshop. Here we brought one up in Photoshop. We're going to readjust it and make it a little lighter. When we save this photo in just a second, you'll see that it's reflected in the InDesign file when we get back. So we'll save that. And here we see the image being updated in the InDesign file. Text that you see, our articles are all written by students, as are the photos, all taken by students. They're written in Word, Microsoft Word. Here's a Word file being dropped into InDesign. It comes in as default, but we're going to change that to the body copy that we use for the paper. We're going to change the byline here at the top to make that work. Notice it's just one big block of text. We're going to squeeze that up and put it in the area that we have set up for this article and stretch it out there. And instead of one big column, we're going to make it 5 columns. We have a 5-column layout here. Down here, we're going to move this little picture, and you'll notice that the type is offset as it goes around. It's displaced, and that's kind of a cool possibility for this program. We're just going to move bits and pieces around to show you how everything is set up as different little areas. Let's revert it, take it back to the way it was. So there's a very quick look at how we use InDesign to set up the school newspaper. And if you're interested in computer graphic design, photography, or in becoming a staff member of the newspaper, there are classes available for you this fall at SCC. Thanks.